to chatgpt. Today, we're here in the famous Ginza district of Tokyo, starting in front of the Jew store. The area is already full of people enjoying a day of shopping, sightseeing, and exploring one of Japan's most popular shopping destinations. Ginza is known for its stylish atmosphere, beautiful buildings, and world-class shopping. As you can see around us, the streets are busy with both local residents and visitors from around the world. The energy here is always exciting, no matter what time of day you visit. There are so many people walking through the area today. Some are carrying shopping bags, others are meeting friends, and many are simply enjoying a relaxing stroll through the city. One of the things I enjoy most about Ginza is watching the mix of people and fashion styles. Everyone seems to bring their own unique style to the streets. You'll also notice a lot of people stopping to take photos and selfies. Ginza is one of those places where every corner feels picture perfect. The modern architecture, large storefronts, and vibrant atmosphere make it a great place to capture memories of a visit to Tokyo. As we continue through the district, you can see the impressive storefront displays that attract shoppers from all over the world. Even if you're not planning to buy anything, walking around and looking at the different stores can be a fun experience. Another thing that makes Ginza special is its clean and organized environment. Despite the large crowds, the streets remain comfortable and easy to walk through. Everything feels well maintained, adding to the area's elegant reputation. Today, the atmosphere feels lively and welcoming. You can hear conversations in different languages as tourists and locals enjoy the district together. It's a wonderful example of how international Tokyo has become. Now we're getting closer to one of the most famous shopping landmarks in the area, the Uniqlo flagship store. This location attracts countless visitors every day and has become a popular stop for anyone exploring Ginza. You can see more people gathering here, taking photos, meeting friends, and enjoying the excitement of the neighborhood. The energy is constant, with people coming and going throughout the day. And here we are, in front of the famous Uniqlo Ginza flagship store. This is one of the highlights of the district and a favorite destination for shoppers visiting Tokyo. Thank you for joining me on this short walk through the busy streets of Ginza. I hope you enjoyed the atmosphere, the people, and the sights of this amazing part of Tokyo. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to chatgpt for more walking tours and travel adventures around Japan. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
That's